in this video I will show you how to stop Facebook notifications in Gmail. Firstly, when you take off that selection, simply tap on the three dots on your right upper side, then scroll down, go settings, select again settings, and right from here, as you can see, you have many different options, on which the right one it is by going on the side which is called notifications. Go simply on the third selection, which is right here, and from here, as you can see, you have many different options. You need to scroll down and take a look on email. Tap on email, and right from here, right now, if you want to stop the Facebook notifications in Gmail, simply, as you can see, all of these are turned off, and you need to make sure that these are turned off. If they are, for example, like this one, as I said before, it needs to be turned off. And right now here also you can take off the email frequency, and yeah, you can take off all notifications, all that stuff, but I'm gonna take off and turn it off right now.